The Kakamega County First Lady, Professor Barasa, has demanded a public apology and retraction over alleged defamatory remarks made by the Kakamega women representative, Elsie Muhanda. Through her lawyers, Luther and Company advocates, Professor Barasa accuses the legislator of making false and malicious statements linking her to the death of Caroline Hamete Ambale, the late principal of Kakamega County Polytechnic. In a demand later dated April 8, 2026, the lawyer stated that the remarks were allegedly made on April 5, 2026, during a morning gathering at the home of the deceased. According to the letter, Muhanda, while addressing mourners, made statements in Swahili suggesting that Professor Barasa had prior knowledge of the death and had interfered with the deceased body before the husband arrived. The legal team argues that in the natural and ordinary meaning, the statements implied that Professor Barasa was responsible for or linked to the death, tampered with the body to conceal evidence, and may have committed a criminal offense. The lawyers further claim the remarks were politically motivated, noting that Muhanda is reportedly eyeing the Kakamega gubernatorial seat in the 2027 general election. They argue the statements were intended to discredit Professor Barasa and, by extension, her spouse, the sitting Kakamega governor. The letter also accuses Kakamega County Communications Officer Gabriel Wesa of circulating a video of the alleged remarks on social media platforms, including TikTok, Facebook, and WhatsApp, thereby amplifying their reach. The advocates describe Wesa as a joint tortfeasor in the matter. Professor Barasa is demanding an unequivocal public apology and reaction to be published through the same channels used to disseminate the remarks. She is also seeking a written commitment to cease any further defamatory statements, along with an admission of liability to pave the way for compensation. The lawyers have issued a 7-day ultimatum, warning that failure to comply will result in legal action. This dispute sets the stage for potential legal battle with political undertones as Kakamega County's leadership dynamics continue to evolve ahead of the 2027 general election.